missing the ocean. Isn't it beautiful? Let's go jellyfish hunting. That is a motherfucking jellyfish right there. That is a motherfucking jellyfish too. Oh damn. Gotta watch out for little critters. I'm up to my legs. I love the ocean. They're everywhere. What? Wait. There's a big one right here, man. I only touched the top. Oh, he's gonna be on shore. Look at him. Oh, jellyfish. Jelly! He's coming for me.
Killed him.
He's dead already.
He wasn't dead already.
Because he's turned over?
Yes, dead.
He's not dead. I just slapped him.
Okay, Siobhan, maybe
He's putting his little stingers up.